What's wrong with your phone, you said, sir?
My screen cracked. I got some important stuff on there. You know, I'll be on it.
Okay, well, what is this on the screen, bro? This is like the... You got hairs on there.
Some jam.
Ew, this is gross, bro. What? Don't worry, I got you. I need to wear my gloves. Like, what is this? Look at the hair. Unbelievable. Let's get this fixed. Look how dirty inside those holes. Surprise. What is this? I don't know what that is. I really don't know. Like, how you get this much stuff? Let's clean this dirt inside. Looks like grass. If they tell you they don't know how this get dirt like that, they capping. All I wanna say is stop the cap. You already know how you did it. Just don't wanna say it. I find more DNA. How do you get this even inside like that? Like here. Ew. More DNAs here. It looks clean now. Even here, bro. You cannot even open. Your phone is ready, sir. Let me show the ports. Let's see how clean it is now. Here we go.
Oh shit, you fixed it. Shit,
yes.
Clean as shit, clean as too. I ain't seen it this clean since I first bought this shit.
You got it now.
Or shit, this shit clean.